Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. And I feel you are watching my videos every day. And you have also subscribed to my channel. And if you have not, please do it now so that you get all the notifications. Dear friends, today we will learn the noun number. Now what do you understand by number? Number means whether a person or a thing is only one or more than one. If it is only one, we give it a name singular. But if it is more than one, we call it plural. Let us understand this with the help of examples. Notebook. Notebook is one notebook. Man, one man. Box, one box. Tree, one tree. Baby, baby is one baby. Now, see how the plurals are formed. Notebooks. Notebooks means more than one book. And we have added S to this notebook to form a plural. Man. Man, the plural of man is men. We have added E. We have changed A into E to form plural here. Then boxes. Here we added ES to form a plural. Trees. Here also we have added S to form a plural of tree. Babies. Baby, babies. We have changed this Y into IES. So to form babies. So this is how the plurals are formed. Now there are many ways of forming plurals. So we will read one by one and learn them. Plurals are generally formed by adding S to the singular form. For example, star. Star is singular. When we say stars, we add S to it, then it becomes a plural. So what we have done here, we have added S to it to form a plural. Second, bird. Bird is singular. Birds. Birds is plural. What we have done here also, we have added S to form a plural. Daughter. Daughter is a singular and daughters is plural. Here also we have added S. Book. Book is a singular. Books is plural by adding S. Arm. Arm is a singular and arms becomes plural by adding S. But some nouns ending in S, SH, CH or X form the plural by adding ES. Let's see how. Class. The last word here is S. The plural form, classes. What we have done to the class? We have added ES. Dish. Dishes. SH at the end. And what we have done? We have added ES to form the plural. Church. Churches. Here we have CH and we have added ES. Dress. Dresses. Multiplex. Multiplexes. Letterbox. Letterboxes. ES. Now what we have learnt? Whenever there is S, SH, CH or x at the end of a singular noun, we form the plural by adding es. जब भी किसी भी नाउन में एंड में, सिंगुलर नाउन में अगर एंड में एस, एस एच, सी एच या एक्स हो तो प्लूरल बनाने के लिए हम ई एस ऐड करते हैं. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर एस, एस एच, सी एच, एस, ई एक्स, x is there at the end. So how these are formed. Most of the nouns ending in o also form plural by adding es to the singular. What does it mean? कुछ एक nouns ऐसे होते हैं उनके end में o होता है, तो plural कैसे बनाएंगे उसका? हम es ऐड करेंगे. es. Now you must be wondering what is going on, and I'm just telling you rules after rules. See, the rules are very important and you have to abide by them. For example, you are driving a car on road, and if you don't abide by the rules, you know what happens, that I don't need to tell you. Similarly, to learn a language in a better way, you need to understand and learn the rules. So here, that's why so many rules are made. Now see, the third one is, most nouns ending in o also form plural by adding es to the singular. For example, mango, and we have o at the end, mangoes, es. We have added es to form a plural. Similarly, hero, heroes, we have added es at the end to form heroes, plural. Volcano, volcanoes, es. Similarly, mosquito, mosquitoes. Potato, potatoes, es is added. Thank you very much for watching.